Hello NEET 2025 aspirants. Hardly 20 दिन बाकी है right for your NEET 2025 which is in May. Yes, anxiety levels must be sky high right now. I know हर तरफ से pressure आ रहा होगा सबकी बातें and what not. Been there, done that, but here I am today as a third year MBBS student in a government medical college. So today, as a friend, I would like to give you a bit of advices which is actually going to help you throughout these 20 days or a few days because these are the most precious days. The things you do in the last few days are actually going to affect your paper. ये बस एक टाइप ऑफ क्लियर डायरेक्शन होगा टू डू व्हाट एंड व्हाट नॉट एंड नो स्ट्रेस नो ओवरथिंकिंग ओनली सम रियल टॉक. So yes, the most important point. Do not start with learning new topics right now. I know you have studied a lot for 2 whole years. So you're obviously going to do it. You don't have to get into learning new topics right now. When you just go through the book and you find out कि ये topic तो मैंने आज तक पढ़ा ही नहीं है. It is not the time कि you start learning on those. It is time to focus on what you have already learned. So make the topics that you already know stronger and revise those rather than just going and learning new topics and then getting pressurized कि ये भी नहीं आ रहा or something like that. Making the things that you already know well stronger will help you more than learning one new topic which you actually don't know, and it will consume a lot of your whole time rather than you can complete revising multiple topics in the same time. So ये time जो है is not about gaining new knowledge. This time is about retaining the knowledge that you already have. Point number 2 is about mental stability. In these few days when the exam is approaching, I know there are points कि तुम्हारी पढ़ाई नहीं होगी. You will feel stressed. So what you have to do is, at least from your whole day of studying, remove 5 minutes, 10 minutes, go for a brisk walk, or maybe you can practice breathing exercises which will help you calm down, because this is whole about mental stability. In the last few days when you are so pressurized about what will happen in the exam paper, कैसा आएगा, मुझसे हो पाएगा कि नहीं, and to avoid all those thoughts right now, and majorly so that you can focus on studying more than overthinking, you need to have like 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, a break out of your regular study cycle so that your mind can just calm down. Your break can be just anything: listening to music for 5 minutes, dancing for 5 minutes, exercising, stretching, or anything that will just calm your mind apart from studying. Point number 3, and I think that is a really important one: watching constant videos, motivation videos, cut off videos, yeah, getting into this college tour videos. I know you must have done this throughout the year कि थोड़ा motivation मिले and stuff, but these last days are not the time when you distract yourself into all of this. Rather, invest your time into revising. That will be more fruitful than watching these videos. Those rank predicting videos, topper analysis, cutoffs and all are actually going to take your anxiety level more higher rather than, giving you a more stability and trust in yourself. तुम्हारा काम है सिलेबस पे एंड रिविजन पे फोकस करना एंड नॉट यूट्यूब के ग्राफ्स पर. पॉइंट नंबर 4, द स्मार्ट स्ट्रैटेजी, that is revise and give mock tests and learn from the mistakes that you're making in these mock tests. अभी साल भर जो भी तुमने मिस्टेक्स किए हैं, आई नो यू हैव लर्न फ्रॉम दोज, बट दिस इज द एंड मोमेंट वेयर यू आर मेकिंग like probably you're making some silly mistakes, or you're making some calculation mistakes, or some theoretical mistake that you are constantly forgetting. Make a small note of those mistakes and you can just keep on revising those, so that there are chances ना कि तुमने जो अभी एग्जाम में mock test में किया हो question solve, that can reflect in your final NEET exam, and you don't want to make the same mistake that you have made right now. So keeping a track of these mistakes can help you prevent doing the same ones in your final paper. Point number 5, all the short notes that you have made throughout the year, that is it. That is what you're going to keep reading and reading right now. क्योंकि those will be the concised parts जो तुमने पूरे chapter पढ़ के बनाए होंगे, जो तुम भूल रहे हो, सिर्फ वही पढ़ना. That will be more better than reading everything right now. Point number 6, protect your peace right now. Not everyone deserves your energy at this point of time. I get it, you have to talk to your friends, relatives कॉल करेंगे विश करने के लिए, फ्रेंड्स कॉल करेंगे कि मुझे नहीं हो रहा या फिर मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन नहीं हो रहा, एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट द rant and whole the cycle continues. But there is a chance you will get the negative energy, and this is a point that we do not want that negative energy. अभी तुम्हें जो भी पॉजिटिविटी है, यू हैव टू कंप्लीटली गिव इट इन योर पेपर्स, एंड यू वांट टू कीप इट थ्रू आउट दीज 20 days टिल यू कंप्लीट योर पेपर, सो दैट जो हमारी इतनी सारी मेहनत है दैट डज कम इन टू वर्क. इस वक्त सिर्फ तुम्हारा गोल मैटर करता है, तो मेक योर बबल एंड स्टे फोकस्ड इन दैट राइट नाउ. It's just the matter of a few days, right? And yes, a quick add-on is do not skip your breaks. और अभी do not sleep during the afternoon or the duration that तुम्हारा पेपर होने वाला हो, क्योंकि तभी you cannot afford to feel drowsy when you are writing your final NEET paper, right? So make your sleep cycle proper. Sleep at least 6 to 7 hours right now so that you are well energetic throughout the day. और जब भी तुम्हारा ड्यूरेशन होगा पेपर देने का, eat properly, do not fall sick. Your whole efforts that you have given into should not go in vain right now. Eat properly, sleep properly, exercise karo, breaks लो. Do not compromise your health at all at this point. यही like last few days के duration में, during my NEET preparation, there was a point I spoke to my teacher because I was actually feeling a bit demotivated कि is it going to work, जो भी मैंने किया है, is it going to be fruitful or not. But what I got to hear from my teacher is what I'm telling you right now. कि NEET is a competition, and competition में there is a point where half of the population just gets out क्योंकि वो demotivate हो गए, they have given up. But you should not be amongst those people who are giving up, right? You are the competition. अगर तुम ये competition से हट रहे हो, so तुम बाकी लोग के लिए जो है easy way बना रहे हो. So the easy way should be for you and not for other people. So तुम्हें अपने competition से नहीं हटना है. यही point है जहाँ पे तुम्हारी आधी से ज़्यादा competition हट जाएगी. But do not give up. Everyone hearing this, you should not give up. Hardly कुछ दिन बाकी है. Keep giving your last push. You will definitely do it. As I said, been there, done that. I know there are points you will feel like कि बस हो गया. But then this is the point where you have to give your last try. अगर तुम अभी रुक गए तो तुम्हारा जो ड्रीम था, wearing the white coat, the stetho, that will also go away. One more thing that I usually get to hear during the last days, कि अगर मैंने अभी स्टार्ट किया तो क्या मेरा सिलेक्शन होगा? If I start studying now, will 20 days be enough? देखो, as I have said throughout, तुमने जो पूरे 2 साल में मेहनत की है वही तुम्हारे रिजल्ट में रिफ्लेक्ट करने वाली है. There is no miracle that is going to take place कि तुमने 10 दिन में पढ़ लिया and you cracked the seat, या फिर तुमने 20 दिन में कुछ अलग ही कर लिया. That is not going to happen, right? You know what you have done. If you have strived hard throughout these 2 years, you know, you trust yourself, you know what all you have studied, right? So there is nothing that can take you back. Just trust yourself and keep going ahead. Starting to study in 20 days is, I don't think, what can actually get a miracle. But if you revise constantly throughout these 20 days for all that you have done in the past, you will definitely succeed. Just trust yourself, stay calm, अपने आप पर बहुत 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 ज़्यादा भरोसा करना है. तो फिर अपने पास्ट को ऑनेस्टली देखो, एंड जो अपने 20 दिन बाकी है उसके लिए अ प्रॉपर शेड्यूल स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान करो एंड बिगिन इटसेल्फ राइट नाउ. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव अ क्विक रिकैप. फर्स्टली, डू नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज योर हेल्थ. तुम्हारा स्लीप साइकिल एंड फूड सब बराबर रखो. यू डोंट हैव टू फॉल सिक विद इन दिस लास्ट डेज. देन do not start learning new chapters. Focus on revision and mock tests. Then do not talk to different people right now, and then do not get those negative energy within. Next, trust yourself. Do not fall for the rank predicting videos or any cutoffs and then get demotivated. Ignore the noise and be your own biggest cheerleader. as I always say in the end of all my videos, stay curious, stay inspired, and खुद पर हमेशा हमेशा भरोसा रखो. You will definitely do this. Today you're watching this video, there will be a time that you will be also wearing a white coat someday after your NEET soon. You are only a few days away from the destination that you have been working hard for these past years. One last push and you will be a part of this white coat journey. All the very, very, very best. And remember, तुम ये कर सकते हो.